Hello guys, so we're gonna put this into use today. As you can see, we made a mini camper on CRV. This is the inside. We'll have the storage in the back. We'll show you later. This is gonna come up, it's gonna fold into this, which we made as well, and then it's gonna be a sturdy platform. So let's do it.
It's awesome because this whole platform, you can sleep on it, and it's foldable in the back of the car, so you can still use these seats in the front. You don't have to worry about.
It's not bolted down. This is removable. So we made this with the idea that everything is easy and it's not permanent, except the back. The back is permanent.
Look here.
Yeah, it's foldable. Look. There we go. That's one fold. Look, it folded once, and then it folded second time.
It becomes a platform
because we put 2 rows of hinges. It's awesome how we did this. Yeah, that's how tall we are. We're pretty tall in the car. We did it on purpose so we could look throughout the window. What we do to secure this is with little chains, yeah, and we screw it to the body of the car so it doesn't shift around.
No, we don't screw it. We just tighten it.
Yeah, tighten it. As you can see, it moves a little bit because we have to put 2 support woods here so it doesn't keep moving. They open it up. There we go. We're all set up with all what we need. What we're gonna do here, we could just suggest what we could do with this empty space we have cut off. Yeah, it's pretty good. What you gotta say to it?
Well, what we're planning on doing is making video. So like making food, cooking food, eating inside of this.
Yeah.
Like sleeping in a Walmart parking lot.
We'll be back when it's set up. As you guys can see from these, this is what we use to support the platform so it doesn't shift around in the car, and it holds it tight. And yeah, we labeled them back right, so it'll be always easy to know where this goes because they're cut to the specific length. So like this right here, for example. And you don't need these strong chains. You don't need them. Just basic will do. All right, let's set it up. As you guys can see, that's how we secure it. And it goes. Well, that one is just to support it on that. And the back one right here is the important one. We secure it to the car frame. It has hooks. So here we have it, guys. This is the interior. Look how much space there is.
And we're not done. We're gonna put a bedding on this. Obviously, we're not gonna sleep on top of these. But yeah, structure-wise, it's done.
See how it is?
I mean, it was already done. We just had to set it up. We made this so it's always retractable to the back, and the back is permanent, and it just folds up like this. You guys, if you have CRV or car like this, follow what we did.
You should just sit in it and test it out.
Yeah, man. Oh, I'm going the wrong way, but we're just showing you that it's structurally feasible. Oh yeah. There we go.
So this is it, guys. Anyway, like and subscribe.